Breaking bad habits can feel impossible, but it doesn't have to be. What if I told you that you can change your habits in just 30 days? The science of habit formation shows that with the right approach, you can rewire your brain, eliminate old habits, and replace them with better ones. In this video, we're going to break down how to use science-backed strategies to kick bad habits and create lasting change. Habits are automatic behaviors triggered by cues in our environment. According to research, when we engage in a habit repeatedly, our brain creates a habit loop, a cue, a routine, and a reward. This loop gets stronger over time, which is why bad habits are so hard to break. But here's the good news: you can rewire this loop. The first step in breaking a bad habit is to identify the trigger. Every habit is linked to a specific cue, whether it's stress, boredom, or a specific time of day. To break the habit, you need to disrupt the cue. Once you know the trigger, you can begin replacing the habit loop with something more productive. To successfully replace a bad habit, you need to insert a new, positive behavior that provides the same reward. For example, if you tend to stress eat, replace it with going for a walk or drinking water when stress hits. The more you practice the new routine, the stronger the new habit becomes. Consistency is key here. Small wins lead to big changes. According to research, it takes about 30 days to fully form a new habit. During this time, it's crucial to stay consistent. Keep your goal visible, track your progress, and celebrate small wins. The more you stay committed, the easier it gets. After 30 days, the new habit becomes automatic, and you'll be amazed by the transformation. You have the power to break any bad habit and create new, healthier routines. Start by identifying your triggers, replacing old habits with new ones, and committing to the 30-day challenge. If you follow these steps, you'll not only break your bad habits, but you'll also be building the foundation for lasting change. Let's get started today.